bring in Dennis Gartman, publisher and editor of the Gartman Letter. All right, Dennis, you say the Republicans will increase their majority in the Senate and they will keep control of the House. You're out on a limb with this one on politics, aren't you?
I don't think so. I think Mr. Lansky expressed the same opinion just a few seconds ago. I think that a lot of people, especially in the middle class, may, when being polled, say that they oppose the president, but when they go behind the voting booth and when it's quiet, all by their lonesome, they'll pull the lever to say, yes, I'll vote in favor of his policies, I'll vote in favor of the Republicans. I don't think it's going to be a monstrous move, but I think thus far the expectation is that the Democrats will take the House, and I don't think it's going to be possible that they'll take the 23 seats that they need. The Republicans' majority in the House will be narrowed, but I bet they hold on to that narrow majority. And that means they get to hold on to the committee chairmanships, and that means they get to hold on to the status of what policies come forward. That's a good thing.
If that happens, Republicans keep control of the House and maybe increase their majority in the Senate, what happens to the stock market?
I think it still goes down. I think it's been a bear market now for 9 months. People are not aware of that fact. They should be. Globally, stocks have been going down dramatically for the past 9 months. Yes, you had a nice rally last night in China because of what happened last week when they reduced the discount rate, which is a very important move on their part. They're also making changes in tax policies. That's a good thing. But if somebody had told me last night or had told you last night that the Hang Seng was going to be up over 4%, how much would the Dow be up? You would have had to say at least 100, maybe 200. Well, it was for a few minutes, and now it's down 39 or 40 as we talk. I think it's a bear market, and I think I've expressed that opinion here before. Yep. I'll express it again.
Okay, just give some advice to our viewers. What kind of stocks should they be selling if they are with you and think that we're in a bear market and we're going down some more?
Sell almost anything that you have profits in. I think that's a reasonable expectation. I think that's a reasonable attitude to adopt. Go and find short-term bonds that pay you 4 and 5 and 6% that are listed on the New York Stock Exchange and hide in some sort of cash for a while. Reduce your positions. That's the best explanation I can give you. I'll speak in broad terms of the market rather than in narrow terms of individual equities. And I think in broad terms of the market, Stuart, I think we're in trouble.
Okay, but I'm not selling my Microsoft, and you know that, don't you?
Yeah, I know that. But you should. You should sell your Microsoft. You should sell your Amazon. You should sell your Netflix, and go buy simple things. I still like the idea of owning the stuff that if you drop them on your foot will hurt. But even then, even those stocks have been hurt in the past 2 months and are likely to continue to deteriorate, I'm afraid.
All right, Dennis, we're done. But thanks for joining us. No, seriously. Mr. Gartman, thank you very much. Very intriguing forecast on the elections. I'll give you that one. I just wonder how that's going to turn out. Dennis, thank you very much. See you soon.